Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the VHS retro look in PicsArt. So creating a VHS retro look in PicsArt gives your photos a nostalgic 90s or 80s aesthetic with grain, scan lines, and also distortions. And this is a step-by-step guide to achieve the effect easily. So what you need to do is just open your image in PicsArt. So click on the plus icon and select the photo that you want to edit. Here, I'm going to just find the image from this. Okay, let's use this one for example. Now after the photo is open, you can just go to effects at the bottom and then find the glitch option. So click on the effects and find the glitch. Okay, this one's right here. Let's see if there's another glitch effect that I can use. Okay, so there's none, so let's just use this. Here you can also find a VHS. Let's find it. I think the name is changed. You can also just use, let's try. Okay, there's this retro, or maybe the one with the 90 or 70s. Okay, this one 90 71, 70, and this is 72. So you can just choose which one. There's also this 90s effects. I think I'm going to just use, okay, this one, the 1995. Here you can adjust the intensity. Here, for example, if you can do it, you can also just use another one. Okay, we'll just use this one, and after that you can just go back, and now you can just go find the noise effect. You can just, okay, here is the noise. You can, if you are on the pro, you can combine those two effect for you. Let's try find the one with the free, so I can combine. Okay, this one for example, I combine these two right here. And you can also adjust color if you want to have a more retro feel. You can adjust, click on the check icon. First go to adjust options, so click on tools and adjust. Here you can lower the saturations for a faded look like this, and contrast you can increase it for a dramatic effect, and the temperature you can slightly warm swipe to the right for a vintage thin, and for the shadow and highlight you can adjust it to how you like it to add depth. And you can, if you want to, you can also add a VHS overlay on text. Here to add overlay you can just go to stickers and then just find VHS overlay or tape, apply it to your, let's use this one, and you can just position the sticker on your image like this, and you can also adjust the opacity if you want to. You can click on the check icon, and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.